Alright guys, welcome to the stream. I'm just getting started. Just finished with the watch list. How's it going, Jay? Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you enjoy the stream. I'm not an entertainer, so if I do get you bored, I'm sorry in advance. I will say that. But when it comes to trading, I am kind of a bit serious, so bear with me. Anyways, let's go through the watch list, guys. Here's the watch list. I normally zoom into that so people can maybe take a snapshot, go back to it and check what's happened that day. So we've got Hood, AMC, SPY. I keep it always on my watch list. I don't have to be trading it. It's just there for reference. AMD, BTBT, Apple. On Apple, guys, that's a second watch. I'm not watching it main, so it's on the side. MRNA, ASTR, PFE. Right. We've got gappers, NE and MVST. All right, let's look at the gappers. Gappers, as you know, guys, if you've been with me, I would just be a little bit pessimistic on gappers. I'm always pessimistic. I'm always looking to short if they show sign of weakness, guys. So let me just draw a few things here and there. Guys, 5.8 and 6 is going to be a huge area, even if this thing runs. 5.8 and 6 area is going to be huge. So let's consider that area, guys. If it does come back to it, I'm going to put an alert. Just going to put a quick alert around that area here from 580s. If it doesn't reach there and start rejecting, they could be our short there, but that will be slightly aggressive short. You can always wait for it to for the backside, so wait for it to actually show a sign of something like this. As you can see, guys, it tries to sort of carry on and then completely fails off, stays under EMA. That's a sign of basically backside right here somewhere or there. So we look into that. However, having said that, guys, we don't want to rule out the possibility of it breaking sixes, and if it does, there might be a slight short squeeze on it as well, because there will be a lot of stop runs around 620s. So yes, let's watch that, but I would say I am short biased on it. Now, what do we have here? MVST gapping up. We're talking yesterday. It had a great day. In fact, last 2 days it's been doing really well, from 780s to 11s, 1050s, and today it's gapping up to almost, it actually hit 13s almost, and it's showing sign of strength, guys. But still, guys, as you know me, I'm a little bit pessimistic. So if it does show sign of weakness, I will start to short it. But I will watch 1260s area. I want to watch 1260s, and then I'm going to definitely watch 13s, guys. We want to be watching 13 areas, because what's going to happen is a lot of people are going to watch the pre-market highs, 1290s, and then they will get into a let's say breakout trades, and then 13 will start to hold. Now a lot of short sellers will start using those areas to pile in on it. So let's keep an eye on 13 as well as 1260s to 1270s. Right, that is the plan with MVST. On these ones, on the gappers, guys, if it starts to break out our levels, our zones, then what we are going to do is we're going to wait. We're not going to chase the breakout. That's not how I trade. I don't trade breakouts unless it's a specific pattern breakout. Usually high of day, high of free market breakouts, I can't. It's just too much risk. So that's the gappers. HOOD, guys, with this one, I will trade it on the side, but I will not call alerts on it, because the thing with this one is it's so fast, and the risk is quite huge on it. It can get huge. Right now it's fine, but if I see that risk is really tight, then I will definitely call out. So I am looking both longs and shorts on this. I'm not really biased on this, honestly, because anything could happen on hood. AMC, I am short biased. Anything pops up. Right now it's failing off of 34s. If it does pop up to 3470s or 35s, I will start to look to short this bad boy. I've been shorting AMC with good success, guys, lately, so hopefully that continues. So that's your AMC plan. Now, again, guys, just because we are short bias doesn't mean that we're going to stick with that mentality. If things change, what I mean by that is if it starts to show sign of strength even before that zone, I'll have a look at the volume and the way it's trading, then we can switch our bias as well. So initially starting AMC with a short bias. SPY, guys, it is breaking out all-time highs. 442 areas are a huge level. What I will think on SPY is it might try to break 44260s. It might break as well, but I'm thinking initially it might just wash down a little bit towards 442s, guys, even below that. So if it does that, if you're trading anything big, for example AMD or Apple, just keep an eye that SPY might sort of retrace back right at the open if it starts to run towards that area we talked about. So that's a SPY. AMD is there, guys. AMD traded it really nicely yesterday, by the way. I posted the video, short video on it. Basically, I think I still have the messages on it. Yeah, there you go. So it was a really lovely short around 116.34s, 116.40s, and then first partial 115.40s, and then re-added a beautiful ad, by the way, under 116, and then got out 114.70s, 60 somethings or 70 somethings. So and then a trailing stop got stopped out here. Now I was all day short on this. I would have taken this area here if I was watching it properly, guys, because I was already really like way ahead for the day. I really didn't want to push my luck that much, plus I was a little bit busy as well. So that was a beautiful area for a short. If for future reference, this is what I'm looking at. A huge level here. Alright, guys, we're open. Let's do this. Now, I don't trade, guys, for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Now, being Friday, I will try to stretch that to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let everything settle down, let the crazy happen, and then we're gonna start looking for potential trades. Good luck, best of luck, guys. Alright. Here we go. Any hood is breaking out as well, guys. Hood is breaking out. I am watching it on the side. If you're going to trade this, guys, make sure you understand your risk behind it. Wherever before you enter any trade, make sure you understand the stop loss, that you've calculated it properly. So we've got that, we've got this. Okay. Right, on MVST it's already showing sign of weakness, guys, so it's nowhere it's gonna this looks like one of those all-day faders, guys. So any pops, so if it just starts to wash down, and any pops if under 12 holds will get shorted. So if you're really into those pop shorts, this might be the better sort of instrument for you. Keep an eye on that. But if it does watch huge, If it starts to wash huge, say for example this comes down to, let's say, 1150s or 40s, then you gotta wait for a much bigger pullback. Try to not take a micro pullbacks entries for short. So looking good. MVST on the side. AMC is washing as well, guys. There's so many things that's happening right off the gate. Right here. Where is it? Oh, here. So AMC. AMC. I am short biased on it and will look to short this bad boy around this level, guys. Now, just because I have a level to short from doesn't mean I'm gonna go into it. I will definitely watch the price action, the tape. I want to see weakness there as it approaches there. Okay, watching AMC, guys. We want this to approach that 3340s, 50s. As like yesterday, it might not reach that area we want. So it's already doing same thing as similar thing as yesterday, but it's kind of choppy. So yesterday was much cleaner than this. Alright, I really wanted to bounce a little bit more than this because we've got from 33 to 32.80s, more than $1 drop. So it's going. Right, guys, this area here 33.19 is holding nicely. Let's see if it wants to come back there and hold, then we'll try and take a potential short there. But we have 32 as well. Okay, watching it closely, guys. Anytime trade could happen. 3305s. Just watching the level 2 on my other platform. It's slightly easier for me to watch. or 3s. It's starting to show sign of weakness, guys. Just that 33. I'm worried about that 33 area. Okay, that's better. Alright, that's much better. Alright, let's go. Oh, damn it. It just goes up and completely. So we are still waiting. This area is coming up, and 3320s. It went all the way to 3330s. It just got rejected from it. That's actually showing that there might be a continuation, one more at least round of weakness. So I am looking to take something here, guys. I'm starting small, just a little bit early. I'm starting small, 33 and 19s. 33.19s. My stops are a little bit bigger, guys, over 33.60. So just adjust your stop accordingly. This might still be early. There's no confirmation yet, but it's just sometimes I will start slow, small. There it goes. It goes to that zone. Let's see how it reacts from there. Okay, it's a nice rejection from there. So far, so good. That's looking good. Looking good. Looking really good. If it stays this way, guys, so this short trade will be really good if it stays this way and closes that way. So looking really awesome. Right, guys. Sorry, I didn't mention. I should actually put some. So around this area, guys, I've added, and then my first entry was slight bit of a chase around 33s, just under 33, guys. Right, just waiting on it. Just waiting on it, guys. Hello, hello. Hey, Ariane, how's it going? You alright? Alright, guys, we need to watch this because it seems like it's getting stronger. Just waiting on that 3360s to hold. If it does bring in more volume, guys, it might actually break that out. So we can always go back in there on the fail of 34s. At one point we have to put our stop, isn't it? So at the moment, guys, over 3360 is the stop, guys. If you can't handle a mental stop, then definitely put your hard stop over 3360, 61s, 62s, something like that. 3329, really good average. I think that's better than mine for sure. I've got 3315. That's fine. Once it shows a sign of weakness, but at the moment it's chop, guys. Right about now it's showing sign of chop. What I want to do is it clearly breaking down 33s. Now once it starts to break down 33s and starts to hold that, I will add to it. So I am by no means on full position on this. I'm good, Aryan. How's it going? You alright? Enjoying the holidays? And MVST has done a really good let me just put that so we understand that's a stop. MVST has done a really good, guys, watch that 12 area, guys. There could be a really nice shorting opportunity around 12, in fact even now, just about now, because that 12 is rejecting, guys. The stop is about 15 cents, so really good. It's already gone 10 cents down. Just watch it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, AMC, let's go. Alright, we want that low to get taken out. 33 needs to stay broken for us to actually feel relaxed on this. But the way it's acting right now, it wants to do that. But you know, with the AMC, you can never tell. So if that candle broke down and stayed under 33, that would have been a really good sign. Since it's bounced off like that, I'm kind of a bit iffy on it, but we'll see. MVST, by the way, guys, really good area for a short. 1190s, 12s, just a bit late on it though. That's fine. I'm gonna start small on MVST, guys. 1175s I got, 1175s, MVST 1175s. Remember, guys, the stop is over 12. 1175s right here, guys. Stop over 12s. Boom. AMC, just playing around. If it does start to move, break the lows of the low of day, the AMC, we have a really good opportunity for a big move on this. If it does start to break that 33s. So we got to be a little bit more patient on this, guys. If we are, and if our stop is still there, then it might pay us nice and well. Alright, MVST is doing a really good job. I like the price action on MVST. Just want that 1160s to break. Right, AMC, come on, let's do this. Let's do this, come on, don't be shy. Drop. Drop. It's as if it's gonna drop if I say drop. It does help, see? See what I tell you? 3260s. Now On this one, I'm going to be slightly patient, but I'm not going to ignore the reversal patterns as well, guys. Um, you can always bring your stop down if you're not comfortable with bigger stops, but you know, still, I would say 33 needs to hold. Now, once that starts to hold, then we've got a trade. Be patient with it, guys. Be patient. Okay, guys, get ready to take some out. Take some out. 33.50s, 33.50s, 33.57s, guys. I didn't get a really good. I mean, 57. If you have waited, that's even better. If you have waited, but I mean, I got like 57s. I was a bit, yeah. Okay, let's get ready for a quick wash and partial. Guys, take some partial out. Don't be shy. Bank in some, because the last thing you want to do is, because AMC does that, you know. Expect that from AMC, a reversal and taking your stop out. Awesome stuff, Jay. Well done. That's a good trade there. Your entry was much better than mine, to be honest. Average. I'm jealous, but I'll get there. Come on, AMC. 3250s, as you can see, 3250s are holding, but it's weak, guys. It's clearly weak. So far, so good. So stay in the trade. MVST. Keep an eye on MVST. If you have taken that, it's looking good. It is looking really good. We want that wash, 1150s wash. That's what we want. We want that 1150 to break, and then we'll feel comfortable. On this one, guys, as I said, it could be all day fader, so be patient as well. If it starts to bounce back, there might be a chance to add as well on that. But our main hero here, AMC, 33.30s, 32 guys, 32.20s, trying to take some out around 33.20s. We are going to take some out. 32.30s holding up. 32.39s, 44s giving us a nice little bounce. Don't worry about it. Guys, you want to put your stop just over 33s, guys. If it does reverse, you don't want to. Now the over 33s will be exactly your break-even point anyways. So once I hit my first partial, I usually do that, but because we have huge space between the price and our break-even stop, we are able to do that right now. But if this price was close to it, I would have kept it slightly higher. So MVST. Anybody take that? Jay, tell me you took it, man. MVST. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get ready to take some out, guys. I am ready to take some out. 1135s. I see 1135s on the bid. 1130s on the bid. 31s. Trying to get 31s, guys. Trying to get 31s. Doesn't matter. I'll take 32. Sorry. I'll take 32s. 32s. Really right at the bottom, guys. Okay. We're looking good. Price goes, stop goes a little bit lower. Not much. Ah. How dare you. Hey. Anyways, looking good. 32.20. If you could, if you have taken 25% here, maybe a good idea would be just before 32s, 32.10s, 20s even. Once it starts to slow down, get ready to take some out. Now, if it does wash, do take some out. Let's say, for example, this washes to 32.10s or 05s, get ready to take. Don't worry about it, Jay. Every day you're welcome. Welcome to join us. Um, yeah, eventually we will obviously attract more like-minded traders. What I want to do with this channel is to maybe create a nice little community that are really serious about day trading and no time wasters, you know. Once we do that, once we find let's say 10-15 people that are really into it, then yeah, we can really sort of help each other out big time. So the plans are not just to have a YouTube channel, it's just to create a nice little community of proper day traders. Right, nice little sort of pause here. It's slowing down a little bit, which could be a sign for it getting ready to break the lows down, or maybe slightly bigger pullback. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, NVST will not, most of the, um, you won't be able to find the shares. You'll have to locate them first of all. Still watching on AMC, guys. What I feel like it wants to bounce up a little bit higher. If it does bounce to 38, guys, we are looking at this area here now. If it does bounce to that area, and if it starts to hold, I don't mind adding there. But then if it does start to break above 32s, we will get out with a break even on the last portion. I feel like you should be about 50% of your position on this at the moment, not 75%, because we've got one move and then two moves. The third move usually could take a while, but with AMC, there you go. Okay, well, I'm wrong. Let's get ready to take some out. 32, 15, 16s. Alright, watch the bids, guys. Watch the bids. 32, 15s, 14s. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. 08s, 08s, 08s. 10s. Come on. 10s. 18, 16, 15s. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. 12s, 12s. 10s. Come on. Come on. 07s. Come on. 07s. 07s are gonna get taken out. Oh, it's holding nicely. Some hidden buyers there. Okay, 32.07. I'm taking. Oh, okay, good, good. Guys, I've taken some out. 32.07s. But if you haven't yet, this is a good wash that I was talking about. Take it, and this is a daily, guys. 31.90 is the daily level. So, ideally, you want to take some out, guys. Bank in some. Bring your stop down here. 32.60s. And we are in the driving seat right now. Oh, yes, 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 Jay. Awesome stuff, man. Yeah, shorting, absolutely. You know, I have an edge on shorting. That's why I'm always looking for shorts. My watch list, you know, any of those lists, most of them, about 80% will be shorts. The only one that I mentioned was Hood, that I will look both ways. and also I think, if I'm not mistaken, MRNA, no, MRNA is short biased. Which one was it? Okay, 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 okay. I did move it down to 3265s. Keep it 3265s because there's no point in keeping us here over 33 now, because over here we had that pause and the price couldn't get over that. So that's telling me that there is an area I can put my stop behind it. I'm out of MVST, guys. It's going strong. I'm out of MVST. Almost break even. I saw that momentum coming in. Have a look at this, guys. What an exit. This look at the volume. This volume dying down, and look at this volume coming in. So right about here somewhere, just over here, I got out, guys. I can't. I know it might, the 12 might hold, but the fact that it's actually having momentum and volume behind it, I can't ignore that. So I'm always so yeah, look at the volume coming in. In fact, it might be long, guys. Over 12, it might be long if the volume withstands. But we want to make sure that obviously 12 breaks. Clearly 12 needs to break and start trading over it. And then we have 1280s, sorry, 1230s. Oh, hood, guys. Whew. You see that little Jay? You see this little hump thing? Once you see this on a stock that is supposed to go up, that's clear sign of weakness and reversal. Especially if that happens around a certain level, like 60 for example, right? That's clear sign of reversal. And look at the way it's reversed from there, from around 59.50s to 56.50s. Yes, take a picture of this one, Jay. This is really interesting. I've seen it over and over. Once you see this parabolic moves, and then you have a wash, and then another move. So basically the idea behind this is, okay, it's momentum, it's got momentum, it wants to continue, but it's actually not even getting to the highs. It's that weak. That's telling you the sign that, yeah, it's actually already really sort of exhausted, and it just gave up. That's the giving up sign for you. Right, guys, AMC over here, our stop is around 3265s. 3265s. If you have not a lot, let's say for example you've got 20% left on this, right? Like 20% would still be too much. I would say around 10% left. You can always keep it over 33, your trading stop. But because I have quite a like 30% left on it, I wanna. This is also my mental stop. If it does break that to 3260s and starts to hold, that's when I will get out. Don't let. I mean, especially on your trailing stop, don't let a wick take you out. we want that 3250s to hold. If it doesn't, that might be a sign for us to actually get out, because there might be a bigger pullback coming. All right, still waiting on AMC. Here we go. Let's start AMC another round, maybe under 3230s. 3230s. Hood 58 area, guys. 58 area. Hood, don't touch it if you don't know how to manage this risk, guys, but I will be trading on the side on this. I will not alert it, guys, because it's something. Here we go, AMC. Let's go for another round. Alright, guys, on AMC, we might be going into a little bit of a congestion. Oh yeah, Hood. Come on, Hood. Beautiful. Let's go. Okay, right. Okay. Yeah, AMC. I feel like it wants to continue between this range, 3250s to 32s. This 50 cents range before it actually decides to go either way. Okay, clearly now, if that breaks 3250s, guys, I am gonna get out. I will get out 3250s. Okay, let me just let me see if I can manually. Okay, I want to make sure that it stays broken, that area. 3252s. Right, volume coming in. Right, 3250s, 3260s. I'm gonna get out, guys. If it reaches 3260s, I will be out on the remaining shares. The trading stop will get taken out. I'll put a hard stop there, 3260s. All right, because I saw that 3060 around 60s areas rejected, but if it does come back there, chances are it will break that, especially with the volume coming in. Now, once we have a rejection from there with good volume, that's actually a good thing for our short, as long as it's actually not getting up to that 3260. But in most cases, reversals like this tends to take you out, maybe have a bigger pullback up to 33s. There you go. I'm out, guys. I'm out on the final. 3260s, this area here, guys. 3260s. I am out. Awesome stuff. Really good trade, by the way. I'm happy with that. AMC has the tendency to reverse strongly when it does. You can't ignore these volumes coming in and the momentum. So that's why I took it early. And on MVST, almost break even, I would say, on the last bit, but the first partial, beautiful. Really good. Nice green on it as well. Uh, 3R is good, but 3R isn't really impressive for me, honestly, because I look for like 5Rs. Once I get anything above 5R, that's when I can say, yeah, it's been a great trade. But yeah, it's been really nice. Actually, good trade. We've only taken 2 trades. Both of them are 100% success, basically. So I can't ask for more. And have a look at MVST's exit, though. Yeah, I was mentioning long above 12, guys. Yeah, if the volume stays consistent. So, but I didn't take it. I am very shy taking longs. I am extremely like careful taking longs. Okay, what else are we looking? Are you saying anything else, Jay? We are looking at what did Annie do? I don't have shares for it. AMC, guys, there might be another opportunity here. AMC. You know what? I'm gonna leave it alone, guys, because AMC, what I've seen so far on AMC is once it starts to reverse, it starts to continue creeping up. So I am gonna leave the short, but there is a short there. I'm not taking this because I just feel like AMC does something unusual when it reverses. Yeah, I did mention that. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. You see this action, price action? Just tails, tails, tails. Tries to climb up and just falls, falls, falls. If you didn't take it anything here, say for example we had bias on it to short all day, poop, gap and poop, right? Once it starts to break that VWAP, that's definitely like a lot of people's oh shit handle, like they've let go basically, right? And then it has the last gasp of strength to just trying to climb back up, and it just starts to fail. That's just this area here. It's not very clean, but this area here is your shorting opportunity with a stop just over over VWAP, or the area that it get created here, 525s. And then you just you know, because these ones can last for the whole day, you just trail your stop, just over 5. You you know, by this time you would have taken few of your partials out, and then your stop over 5 would have been just fine. Perfect. Let's go hood, come on. By the way, AMD is creating this nice little area around 115 for a breakout. It's trying to get ready for a breakout. Volume is rising slightly, so I'm sure this. There you go, there you go. I think this is a more of a. If that volume stays consistent above 14115, that's actually a successful breakout. Mm-hmm. Do, 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 do. I'm just waiting for my on the other side hood, and once I get something there, then I think that'll be it for my day. Don't have to do much, to be honest. It's already giving me a nice little profit. I just want more. I'm greedy on it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let me just watch this here if you can. Come on, 5680s. See, AMC is trying to sort of break that 33, this zone. Can you see that zone? It's holding up nicely. But also, once it rejects from that zone, doesn't go very far, does it? So that's a clear sign of that battle happening around that zone, and we are waiting for, you know, either side to win. So right about now, if you ask me what's your thought on AMC right about now, I feel like it's a short price over stop over 33s, because the fact that, you know, it washed off, yes, from that area heavy, and then bounced back heavy, but that last candle didn't go that far. Just a little tiny details, just showing me that yes, it's actually weaker than strong. I am looking at other stock, see if I see something with Fridays, guys. Don't I try to not push my luck. Once you hit that few trades, and once you hit your 3, 4, 5 hours, just bail. Don't take anything, because what happens is you might think you're in the zone, but you actually aren't. You are fighting against probability, 1. 2 is you're emotionally not the same as you took your first trade. If you know, I hope you understand what I'm saying here. It's just that chemical reactions in your brain wouldn't allow you to be as sensible as the first trade. So the more you trade, the more you're at a negative edge, the more you're going into negative edge. So if you know that, just stop trading. I know it's easy to say, easy. It's one of those things that you could just say it, you know, easily, but like doing it, but you gotta, you know, just engrave it in your brain that, you know, sometimes when you're trading, pulling the triggers, less is more. Trust me when I say this, less is more. The only time you want to work hard is the preparation, right? Preparation is the key. You know, do as much work as you want for the preparation, but when you're trading, it should be quite simple and easy. And once you're done, once you achieve something, then just call it a day. That's it. Exactly. Exactly. It's just that state of mind, isn't it? Your state of mind is changing. Is that state of mind, is it gonna help you, or is it gonna really sort of um, mess up your trading style? If it does, then yeah, just understand that that emotion and leave it. You know, deal with it. That's how I think, anyways. Maybe I'm just, you know, just saying things for the sake of saying things. Maybe I don't know. Anyways, I don't really see anything special. Here we go. AMC is showing sign of weakness. It's clearly so that 33 area held. 33 area held. From here onwards, if this was a bit earlier, guys, I would have taken. But because the time frame is coming into that after half an hour, 40 minutes of trading, there is still time. I usually don't trade after 1 hour of trading, after the 1 hour of open. I just don't have a good edge there. And I clearly don't have a good edge the first 5 minutes. That's why you have not seen me trade at all. Go back to my streams. If you find a single trade that I've traded within that first 5 minutes, then you know, I'll have to look into my setups and I'll have to look back and you know, contemplate, because as far as I know, I haven't. Let me have a look. Interesting, yeah. Let me have a look at it on the side. BYSI. BYSI. Yeah, volume coming in. It looks like it. Yeah, definitely. Volume coming in. It's moving nicely, but there's some chop coming in. So we are talking 20-30 cents spread as well. So if you're gonna hit that bid, maybe, but don't just go with market order. That might actually get you. Actually, right now it's tightening. Ooh, dangerous. Yeah, 26 is broken. This is weak. This is definitely weak. And daily, you know, looking at the daily, I wouldn't really be short biased, but it's just too overextended. We're talking from 10 to 30s and 25s. Just too wicky, too choppy. You see, it's not clean enough. Over here, beautiful, really clean. But right here, it's just, nah, I'm not touching it. Not touching it. Believe it or not, Jay, on one of my other accounts, smaller accounts, I actually still have AMC. My the AMC, because I trade like smaller account is different. Then the main account is more partial, and then you know, bank in. But because it's small account, you have to like let things work out, if you understand what I'm saying. So hopefully this AMC starts to break this low here, 32.20s, and then I'll look to see what happens around 32s. OCGN. Okay, we got an alert. Let's see. Oh, that's probably why. OCGN, really nice daily breakout area. Really nice daily breakout area, but the problem with this is I don't do breakouts. I just don't do breakouts. I do this. You see this breakout zone here, Jay? You see this breakout? Complete a successful breakout, and what happens? Right here is my entry. Right here is my entry. Right there. But I wouldn't take it here. Right? So, you know, that breakout, 770s, it needs to come back down if I am interested in the longs. So you're not actually, what you're doing is you're not joining the race at when people are doing 200 miles an hour. You're joining the race when they are actually, they've done the race and they're getting ready for another one. You see what I mean? Like, does that make sense? So having like breakout traders, I feel like they're yes, sometimes it works, but especially, you know, seasonal. You have to look at the seasonal times as well. At the moment, we are in holiday season, right? August times, these breakouts, trading, entering on a breakout. Ooh, hood. Okay, I'm done for the day. I am done for the day, guys. Oh shit, didn't take my thingy out. Alright, that's fine. Don't take it out. I will take it out myself. Perfect. Perfect. Now on thingy. Just watching the hood. I had some trade going on that. Give me a second, Jay. Let me just watch this. Okay. Come on, hood. Whew. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking really good. Yes, I'm still in it. I took one here, right? 54, 55 40s. Actually 39. I've got 50% left on it. Come on, hood. 55 is a big area. This area. I've already taken some out, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'll probably trail stop it. No, I'm done. I'm done. Really, don't need to look for anything else. 2 trades, great trades. AMC is looking good right about now. But as I said over here, guys, it might be going into that little chop zone here between 33s and 32s. Actually, it was 3250s, but now it's bigger. So if I do end up exiting on hood fully, then I'll probably exit AMC as well. And then I'll leave the rest. Yeah, on my other account as well. I'm gonna exit AMC. I know it might go, but I've got very little left on it. I'm gonna take everything off, and I'll probably take everything off on hood as well. And that's me done for the day. Yeah, I took everything off because I'm not gonna be trading anymore. It's alright. I got my huge R's today. I have to calculate what is that, but yeah, it's nice. CGN. What OCGN? Yeah, OCGN keeps climbing back up. There was a little pullback here, but okay. So sometimes yes. Sometimes I look for like flag wedges, pennant breakouts, but that's just one part of it. The main part is the daily. Obviously, we can't just take any wedges. I can show you like hundreds of wedges that wouldn't work. They look beautiful because their daily is not behind it. One, two. Does that stock that stock has to be moving for it to be effective. It has to be under people's eyes. It has to be basically in the zone of momentum. Then yes, maybe, but not every pennant or flag, obviously. Oh wow, 15 to 20 trades a day. I used to do that, Jay. Don't get me wrong. I was really like 20, 30 trades easy. But I've realized that yes, I might be 80% profitable or winning, but then overall result was going nowhere because that one trade will just take everything away. That's why for me, um, just wait. It's like hunting. I like to hunt, you know, sniping basically. Just wait for the right moment, right wind, you know, right sound. Everything has to be perfect, aligned. That's I mean, sometimes obviously you're gonna miss, but that's the nature of the game, isn't it? Yes, 100%. That's the plan. That's 100% my plan as well. I look to if something doesn't show us a potential of 5R, I wouldn't even consider trading it, let alone even pulling a trigger or putting any risk on it. Like for example, on this one, I mean, I'm sure like from here, the breakout. Let's say I was trading a breakout. The next level I see, the only level I see is 828, right? So huge potential there. When it comes to risk to reward, that would have ticked my rules. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly snapshot a few of the yeah, hang around, Jay. You're in the right place. Definitely stick around. I think your style is more of similar to mine as well, because the way you traded that AMC is pretty much how I trade. So I think it will complement your trading style if you definitely. And also watch my recaps. I know it's boring, but don't just like take whatever works for you. Like it's got some really nice information. Um, what I said, quite a few of subscribers asked me about this, like those daily recaps. I tell them, well, go and check the daily recap. It's only like 4 to 5 minutes, and if you like something in that, if you really like that trade and you're really curious about it, just go and check the recordings of that stream. It's very transparent. Like it's there, And even my recaps are not actually voiceovers. It's actually the trays, the live stream recordings itself. I just cramped it up to make it 4 or 5 minutes trade. So yeah, definitely. If you like one of the trades, um, then just go into it a little bit more detail. No, man, I just social media is not a thing for me, but I'm getting into it. Jay, just give me give me some time. But it's just Twitter has never been like my I'm not savvy on those things. I'm not social savvy. I went to Reddit because I feel like Reddit is quite a bit of genuine. There's a lot of genuine traders and traders want to be out there. That's why I like Reddit. Anything else like Facebook and Twitters, there's a lot of fake gurus out there posting shit. Excuse my language, but they have just they don't have any idea what's what. Lots of fakery going on in social media. Right, let's take this hood, save it. Mm-hmm. 508. Okay. 608.21. Hood. You would not believe the exit on the hood. It's just really nice exit, right about here, and then the final exit somewhere around here, somewhere around there. So basically right at the bottom of the range, basically. So that was a really good exit. And we had AMC. Yeah, yeah, really tiny, uh, tiny reversal. It's very hard to notice, but there is telltale sign of a reversal there. It, knowing a little bit of price action is an excellent thing because you don't actually have to reversal a trade here. You don't have to take long. But if you are short, let's say for me it was short around this area, um, you know, you can think of exits, profit takings, and all that risk management. Looking at the price action, that I find that really helpful um, in the risk management side of things. What did our AMC do? Huh? Chop, 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 chop. Just gonna, and then we had MVST. MVST. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, Jay, I'm just trying to sort of do my homework while in the stream, which I shouldn't be, but it's Friday, so once I'm done here, I just want to leave everything off and then go and enjoy myself. That's done, all sorted, platform shut down, all banked, beautiful. Alright, we're good. That's that. And MVST, by the way, there's a short here. I feel like there's a short here, but I am shutting everything down, so unfortunately I won't be taking a trade. But if anybody is interested, MVST short under 12, and risk is about 7 cents. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone? Jay? Before I go? Same here, mate. I'll look forward to seeing you on Monday, hopefully, just before the market open. You have a good, lovely weekend. Enjoy yourself, man. Well done. Good trade, man. Nice trade on AMC. Awesome stuff, guys. So I will, if you're watching the recordings of these trades, do join us for the live stream. That's where the real action is. And do check out the recaps as well on the live stream, from the live stream. That way you can get an idea of how I trade, and then you can have some questions. If you do, I'll be definitely happy to help you out and answer any questions. Anyways, guys, take it easy, stay safe out there, have a lovely weekend. Ciao.